Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is introduce y'all to my plumbing company business plan template. So the way this video is going to play out is first and foremost, we're going to go ahead and give you a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. After that, I'll then introduce y'all to my plumbing company business plan template, specifically the Word document, which contains the actual business plan template and also the financial model, which is an Excel spreadsheet. All right, with that said, let's go ahead and zip through this little presentation. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate, MBA. I am a professional business plan writer. I've authored numerous books on, I've written numerous books about business plans published on Amazon, and I am also an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So with that said, if y'all don't want to do your business plan template and you just want a professional to write your business plan for you for your plumbing company, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. I would be delighted to write you up a custom, professionally written business plan, or I can also do your financial projections for you as well. All right, so enough with the infomercial. Let's go ahead and talk about the star of the show, which is my plumbing company business plan template. So if and when you do buy my plumbing company business plan template, it does come with two documents. It comes with the Word document and the financial model. And the Word document is right here, and the financial model will be covering in just a minute. So once you open it up, you're going to be greeted with the title page. Most of my clients, what they're going to do is they're going to get rid of this wording right here, plumbing company. They'll insert their logo and then leave business plan underneath. The second page is your table of contents. As you add to the business plan, put your information in here. Inevitably, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and update the table of contents. In order to do that, you just click on Update Table, click on Update Entire Table, click on OK, and your page numbers and your titles will be updated accordingly. On page 3, you're going to find the executive summary. I give you a really good starting point for the plumbing company summary, your target market, your financial highlights, and then your funding request. And now we get into the meat and potatoes of the actual business plan template. And in this section right here, the company description, I give you a great starting point for the plumbing company summary, popular products and services offered here, competitive advantage segment, primary target market segment, pricing strategy segment, hours of operation, location information and description, and then finally this this segment ends with a business objective and timeline. This is your opportunity to provide the reader with some insights as to where you envision your company to be in 3 months, in 6 months, and in 12 months. Next section is your industry analysis. I have a subscription to IBIS World. They are the industry leader in industry research, in my most humble of opinion. What I've done is I've accessed their report on the plumbing company industry, and I've extrapolated important statistics from that report, put it into my business plan template, and then I've got a citation right here giving credit to IBIS World. The next section is the SWOT analysis. In the SWOT analysis, you've got your strengths, your weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. And what you'll do is you'll just go ahead and click on that, click on the wording, and you can go ahead and update that as you see fit. The next section is the organizational structure. The first segment of it is the ownership information. Update your information there. Any place you see yellow throughout the business plan, definitely put your information in there. In the organizational chart, again, just click on it and type, and you can update this accordingly. The next section is going to be the marketing section for your plumbing company. Typically, my plumbers that I've worked with, they do their advertising in 3 channels, which is your traditional marketing, your internet marketing, and your social media marketing. I give you a real good starting point for each one of those channels right here. And then we have our funding request. How much money do you need to get the party started? I go ahead and I give you a great foundation to build upon for your funding needs. The next section is your financial projections. My financial projections for the template includes your profit and loss for year 1, and your profit and loss for year 1 is broken up monthly as well as quarterly. Month 1 through 3, quarter 1. Month 4 through 6, quarter 2. Month 7 through 9, quarter 3. And then we have month 10 through 12, quarter 4. And then finally, we have our pro forma income statement. This is just your revenues, your expenses, and your net income for the next 5 years, broken up annually. Now, in order to update your financial statements, you do need to update the financial model, which is right here. My financial model does come with 4 tabs, which is your information page, your projections, which is just a summary of your financial standing, profit and loss for year 1, again broken up monthly, and then the income statement for the next 5 years. So once you update your information on the information page, as you update that, the profit and loss statement and the income statement, those numbers will update accordingly. Once you're done, just copy the financial statements for each one of the statements you want to update, and then paste it into the Word document. Now you do have several areas that you can update in the financial model. Anywhere you see darker colored cells, right here, and then we've got down here, and we've got this information here. Anywhere you've got the darker colored cells, that is information you can update. And some of the segments you can update are your daily sales, your labor, your startup cost, your monthly fixed cost, miscellaneous information, your growth rates, and then your loan information. So as you update that information, your financial statements will update. Once you're done, copy and paste and put them into the Word document. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. So in summary, if you are interested in buying my plumbing company business plan template, here is the link right here. It does come with the customizable Word document, which we just went over. It also comes with the basic financial model, which I showed you as well. And then finally, I do provide y'all with some business plan template tutorials, and you can find those tutorials right here. They are free. Feel free to take a look at those tutorials before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind, in order to make the changes to the template, you do need Microsoft Word and you do need Microsoft Excel. And then finally, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase the business plan template, feel free to give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. My contact information is right here. Be delighted to have a great conversation with you about what you can expect in the template. However, after you purchase the template, I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out the template, you want me to fill it out for you, be delighted to do so. I do provide those services, but there is a fee for those services. All right, so finally, to wrap it up and sum it up, if you are interested in buying my template, again, the link is right here. If you don't want to mess around with templates and you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want your business plan written for you by a professional, I'd be delighted to do that as well. At this link right here, I do provide y'all with information on my business plan writing services and packages offered. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful. As always, go out and make a little bit of money and have a great day. Thank you.